was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a queen, I had a gold throne. Those days are gone, and the memories on the wall. I hear the sounds in the places where I was born. Up on a hill across a blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven got a plan for you. Don't you worry now.